Hi guys, welcome back to another little journal with me video. This is quite a quick one today. I'm going to be using the March Zine pages from our journals, which I have in my Etsy shop. So like I mentioned in previous videos, this is kind of like a kit that you can use to get into your creative journaling. So it comes with prompts, it comes with printable images, it also comes with digital paper and sometimes interactive sort of journaling ideas that you can use in your own journals and fill out. So the first thing I'm doing is going ahead and cutting out all of the little printable images that come in this kit. So there's some vintage ephemera like postcards, there's like a little vintage photo wallet. There's also some vintage linen pieces which are not in any of the other vintage linen packs I have in my Etsy shop, and a couple of other pretty little pieces that you can use however you want. I've just got these printed out on regular copy paper, so they look really good actually, considering the paper is quite average, but you could definitely print them out onto better quality paper or even onto the white side of scrapbook paper and get a really nice and sturdy result. So you see here that I have the little snapshot picture folder here. It comes in two parts, so there's the back and the front, and if you cut them out and stick them together it becomes this little photo wallet. So what I do is just take my scissors and cut along the pocket part of this folder, cut that off, and then I glue those two pieces together and use double-sided tape to make a little pocket with that piece, so that there's actually a little place where you can slip a photo in if you want to. So the images come as JPEG files as well, so I printed this out quite small as you can see, but you could definitely print it out much bigger if you choose to, depending on what project you want to use it for. And it's very, very easy to assemble and looks really cute. So the theme for March was you, so as in you as a person, because I find that a lot of the time when we're journaling, sometimes well, for me anyway, it's usually journaling about other people. I know it may not be the case for everybody else. Oh, I'll just interrupt myself here to tell you, I'm just showing you some things that I did while my camera stuffed up and stopped filming. I used some of those printables to create a tab on a photo, and I also printed out that pretty floral pattern and just glued it onto a page because I thought that looked really pretty. So as I was saying, the theme is you. So this is an interactive full-size sheet you can print out, and it's got like little prompts to fill out. So spray your favorite perfume, put a sample of your handwriting, your full name, stick a portrait of yourself, add a fingerprint, stuff like that. So just fun little bits and pieces that you can fill in and stick into your journal. So that's what you see me doing here. I really like how this interactive page turned out, and it's actually so much fun to fill it in and looks quite interesting too. As I was saying, a lot of the time I find that when I'm journaling, I end up journaling about other people, like my kids and my family, and sometimes there's not a lot of me in my books. There's a lot of pictures of my kids, like I said, and usually none or almost none of myself. So that's why I decided to make the theme for this month you. So you just see me filling out this page, and also get this page in the kit with no writing on it, so no prompts. So you can also just use it as digital paper, you can use it as one full sheet, or you can go ahead and cut out all those individual little boxes and use them however you want. So there's lots of fun little things to fill out, like your colour scheme, your fears, people you love, your birth flower, a little memento from where you live, as well as like your handwriting and a picture of yourself. So there's just a little overview of my page and all the other fun little bits and pieces on my desk that come in the March kit. So I hope you enjoyed this video and that you are beginning to understand a little bit about my vision for the pages from our journals zines. And yeah, I hope you're all doing really well, and I hope to do some more journal with me's very, very soon. Bye.